So now guys, good morning to each and every one of you. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys this particular new strategy, all right, that works on VIX and even VIX on 5. All right, so now you can clearly see that we have a trade here which is almost an TP, and we had this trade on the 15 minutes. Okay, you can take the trade earlier, but you see this is a 15 minutes time frame, and we almost at our TP. And also let's check the VIX 10 1 seconds. All right, so this is another amazing one. We took the trades, all right, and we are headed for our TP. Would soon be at a break even, guys. So now the set is for this strategy. We have the moving average on the main chart, which is period 13. Shift 0 method exponential apply to close, and then color red. When you're done, you just click on done. The next indicator we have is the relative strength index, period 1 apply to close, levels 80 and 20. Then you click on done. All right, the next thing we have is the moving average, period 50, shift 0 method exponential apply to close, and then the color is blue. All right, just click on done. Then now we add the last indicator. Now you add the last indicator on the indicator window, period 1, shift 0 method exponential, then the color red. Right, so you see this now. So now the conditions why we enter this trade is, if we check the 30 minutes time frame, you can clearly see that what happened here, there was a crossover of the moving average. Sorry guys, there was a crossover of what? The moving average. Let me change the color of this. See, now there was a crossover of the moving average, right? So there's a crossover of the moving average, and we're actually waiting for our TP. Waiting for our TP, guys. Waiting for our TP. So that's one. All right. So the first condition is the indicator window. You're looking at the indicator window before the crossover. It must be at the board region. So it must be over board region, and then you wait for the crossover of the moving average. All right. So it must the candles must stop being above, so and start being below the moving average. Then you can actually get those cool entries. Okay, so now let's look at the VIX 25 1 second. Let me explain that a bit to you guys. So now we are looking at the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so you can clearly see now that the market is actually making highs. So right here we have a high, which took out this particular one, and then we have a high and we have a low. So and now the market is actually, if you look at the moving average, the market is actually bouncing off the moving average. So in this particular case, we bought on the bounce from the moving average, all right, and we are holding for our TP, which is the previous high here, guys. So now, yeah, and if you check too on the indicator window, you can clearly see that what happened here, market was at the over sold region, and then we took our buys. So now let's look at some of the examples, guys, before we actually end this stuff. So you can clearly see even the VIX 75 that this strategy will absolutely work. You can clearly see. So now how will you have gotten your entry? You see, first, you don't try to rush. Here there was a lot of noise. Here there was a lot of what noise. So you need a little bit of understanding of what price action. All right, so let me modify color white. Okay, all right. So now you see the market is not trading above this area yet. So anything you're trying to do, you end up being trapped. You'll be in a range. So finally we have a break above that area, which you can clearly see, and you have the market pushing to the upside. Okay, so you have the market pushing to the upside. At this point in time, you have no clear entry. Then you have a push to the upside and a dip to the moving average. At that point in time, you can just like decide to put your entries here. Okay, you see it. So now it's actually going above and above. So here you have the market push to the upside, a dip to the moving average. You see, came for a retest, and you can clearly see that on the 15 minutes time frame, guys. And you can actually buy from here, guys, and add all the way up. So let's look at two more examples. Yeah, let's look at two more examples. There's nothing there. Let's look at V75 1 seconds, for instance. Okay. So now guys, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. This will be the last one. All right. So as I was explaining to you guys, let me use the 30 minutes time frame for this. All right. So I was explaining to you guys previously, like you have to wait for the market to take out the previous highs. Okay. And then when it takes out the previous highs, and you have to be looking at the indicator window, you're looking for the market to be at the oversold. All right. So after that, you're looking to buy upon the candle is coming to dip at the moving average, and at this point in time, you see you had your good clear entries. You just take your buys here and then target this area. So this strategy actually works. It works for the 15 minutes time frame, even the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get wonderful strategies like this. So this strategy works even on the 5 minutes time frame, guys. It works on the 5 minutes time frame. You just need to get the understanding of how the higher time frame works, then you'll be able to know how to apply it to everything. So see you guys.